how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive on your Android. So you're gonna need three things: Obsidian, your Google Drive, and this app, Drive Sync. So go ahead to your Play Store, download these apps first. So you have AutoSync. It's actually called AutoSync for Google Drive. You go ahead and install it, and also Obsidian. And if you haven't already, Google Drive as well. But first, you're gonna go ahead into your Obsidian app, create a vault, continue without sync, device storage, put in your name, and create a vault. Allow file access, of course, toggle this on. And from here, you're gonna go ahead and choose which folder you want to use for your Obsidian. So in our case, we're just gonna go ahead here in the documents folder. For some reason, press use this folder and allow. You have all of this over here, but what you're gonna do now, since you have set the folder, you're gonna go ahead into your Drive sync. So press on you agree, press on OK, allow your file access again, and you're just gonna connect to Google Drive. Go ahead and press on continue, and once connected, press the choose what you sync, press the skip, don't sync anything yet, and you're gonna go here into the synced folders. Oops, press on OK. Don't have to do that. Sync folders, go ahead and press on add folders. Choose your folder name. This is going to be for your Obsidian, of course. You're gonna choose the remote folder in cloud storage. This is basically the folder you're gonna choose in your Google Drive to connect your Obsidian or to sync your Obsidian. Once you've chosen a folder, press on select, and once you choose the local folder and device, this is where you choose the newly created Obsidian folder that you just made, of course. So just go ahead and find the Obsidian folder that you created. In our case, it should just be this one over here. Press and select. Make sure your sync method is on two-way. And once you have all of this set, just go ahead and press on save. So from here, you can just test if the folder works. You can place anything from your local file manager, but hopefully this does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.